play around.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beats Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to be doing a simple cook. Today we're going to be cooking a couple of yellowfin tuna steaks that we picked up from Fresh Time probably about a week ago, and I had them in the meat and fish drawer in the refrigerator, so they're still fresh. They're still good to go. Okay, we're going to do a simple cook on the Recteq 1070. We're going to smoke these at a low temperature at 210, 215 degrees instead of the normal 225, 250. I want these to catch as much smoke as possible in the pellet cooker while getting up to an internal temperature of 145 degrees. So we don't want the tuna rare. My wife does not like her tuna rare, so she likes it cooked all the way through. They cook your tuna, your fish the way you like it, okay? Don't let nobody tell you how to eat your food, all right? And then so we're gonna do it that way for her. We're gonna be using avocado oil as a binder, and we're going to be using Chef John's soul powder, his hot lemon pepper. I got this when I went to the American Royal and got to hang out with the Recteq team. I got to talk to Chef John and Jody and all those guys out there, and Chef John was out there putting in some work with some great food out there, man. That cheesecake dish that he made was fantastic, so kudos to Chef John. So, but we're gonna try this. This is supposed to be a nice hot lemon pepper seasoning of his from Recteq. So we're gonna try this on some seafood today. All right. So let's go ahead and get the prep work started. All right, guys. So we got our tuna steaks here. We're gonna hit them with just a little bit of avocado oil to act as a binder and to add a little bit of fat to our tuna steaks. All right, like so. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna add Chef John's hot lemon pepper seasoning. Let's see how that turns out. Now, from what I was told by the Recteq guys, that when this is put on seafood, it has a nice little citrus flavor, as most lemon peppers do. But they said if you use this on like chicken or any other type of meat, then the actual heat from the rub comes out. Okay, so I don't want to put too much on here. We're gonna kind of go with a light coat today. Okay, so let's get this on the smoker. All right, guys. So as you can see, our Recteq is already up to 225 degrees. She's been smoking for about an hour now, so she should be acclimated. So let's go ahead and get these steaks on here. All right, guys. So as you can see, we got a non-stick mat down here, especially since we're dealing with seafood. I like to use non-stick mats. We're gonna put these right here in the center of our 1070. Took the top rack out, and we're gonna let these go for about 45 minutes, and we'll come back and check them. All right, guys, it has been 45 minutes. Let's go ahead and check our internal temp and see where we are at. This one's at 106. This one's at 115, 116. So we probably got another 20, 30 minutes to go. We're going to let them keep rolling, and we'll be back as soon as they get near 145. All right, guys, let's go ahead and check our tuna steaks. $144, close enough to 145. The carryover will be good. And this said, 150. All right, so let's get them off. All right, guys, I got the boss lady here with me. Since we cook a lot of seafood for her, we're definitely going to get her opinion on this Chef John's Soul Powder Hot Lemon Pepper Rub from Recteq. Okay, so go ahead, honey. I'm gonna let you go ahead and take the first bite. It's cooked to 145 degrees like you like it, so it's not raw in the middle. Take your time.
It's good. Like a little spicy and a little sweet. It's good.
Can you taste any of the lemon pepper?
Mm-hmm.
What about smoke? Because I kind of cooked it slow so that you can get some smoke. You got a lot of smoke on it,
Yep.
or just barely enough?
I like the spice.
Yeah,
It's good.
that is really good. You get the lemon,
Mm-hmm. Really heat.
a little spicy. I think 145 might have been just a little too much.
Oh.
Our tuna, to me, the tuna's just a little dry because it cooked it to 145. But you like it like that. You like it
Yep.
flaky and dry like that. I like mine with a little moisture on the inside of it. So for me, I probably would have cooked my tuna to about 130, 135. This came to 145. So, but
It's good.
it's good.
Yep. Like it.
Okay. All right. Well, that's about it. All right. Like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. And with fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, if you guys are interested in checking out Chef John's Soul Powder, check out the Recteq site. I'll put a link down in the description block. And hey, we'll see you in the next video. So hey, like we always say, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.
Peace.
All right, the tuna's all yours.